Good morning and happy Tuesday. So this is Valerie from Wholesale Natural Body Care. And today I am here to talk about our 50-piece hair care giveaway kit that I announced a couple of weeks ago. So we are so excited to be able to offer to one lucky person an opportunity to win the 50-piece hair care kit. To be eligible for the kit, you will have to, we're going to have a contest, and it's going to be an essay where you'll write a 500-word essay. And in it, you will be judged by the content of the essay, which describes what your business plan is and why you deserve to win the 50-piece hair care kit. We want to make sure that we don't award this kit to someone that's going to sit it on their dresser or give it away to their friends. We want one lucky person that is going to be serious about starting their business to actually win this 50-piece hair care kit. It's going to be a choice of our hairdo, which has been a long-standing product line that our customers absolutely love, or the Black Castor kit. The Black Castor kit has a beautiful mango scent, and a lot of our customers love that one as well. The hairdo kit has a real nice citrus scent, and a lot of our customers really enjoy that. So it's going to be a wonderful startup kit that all you basically have to do is have your labels designed, and you can get your labels designed on onlinelabels.com. You can purchase your labels there, and I do recommend that you purchase a weatherproof for either an inkjet printer or either a laser, whichever you have, to make it affordable and quick so you can get your labels on your product. But it's going to be easy for you to get started. The hardest part is going to be for you to convince us that you deserve to win this wonderful hair care kit. And the reason I say that is because I want to teach you to fish so that you'll have fish. I want to feed you fish and then you eat the fish. You know, you could use up all this product and never develop your business plan or never add it to your ongoing business plan. And that's not what we want you to do. We want you to be very serious about this and take advantage of submitting your essay. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to, on your essay, you will include on it your company name, your address, and your plan, your business plan for incorporating this hair care kit into either your ongoing current line or either a line that you want to add on to your product line. My email address is bodylogyyusa@gmail.com, and I will add it below so that you don't have to wonder about it. But you're going to email me the details, and myself, along with my crew here, we're going to read all of the submissions, and the decision will be made, and the gift will be awarded at the end of the month. So you've got a couple of weeks to get all of your ducks in a row so that you can get this essay done, have someone to edit it for you, make sure that you do a good job on it. And also send me a picture of yourself so I'll know who the lucky person is and so that we can share it with the world. So anyhow, if you have not subscribed, and if you're interested in having your own hair care line, go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that whenever I introduce new content that you can take advantage of that. And then also you can visit our website at wholesalenaturalbodycare.com. Follow me, be sure to follow me. That's another thing too. In order to be a good candidate for this giveaway, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We're going to check to make sure that you're following us. We want to make sure that you're supportive and that we support you as well. So, and on all those sites, you can find me at Wholesale Natural Body Care. Instagram is at Wholesale Natural Body Care. On Facebook, it's Wholesale Natural Body Care. And of course, here, you guys already know. So this is Valerie, not taking up a whole lot of time, just wanting to give you guys the detail of the 50-piece hair care giveaway kit. And if you're not currently following me, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new content, you will not miss it. I hope you guys have a great day. This is Valerie signing out.